Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will be telling you how you can implement it into your website, the adityaprasad-sudo Python file, right? So in the last part we have created these, right? How do we implement it now? That's the question, right? So I'm just gonna tell it using my own website. How did I implement it? So first of all, what I used is Framer to create my own web page, right? As you can see, this is Framer. I've used it to create the web page. For now, let's close it. Now, on Hugging Faces, first of all, when you need to create a space from here. When you will sign up and log in, you will see this option new space when you click on your profile. Okay, now when you click on the profile, you need to go in the settings of the space, and at the very first you have to add this in the variable secret, new secret, and this name would be the backend logic and the env file. You copy this and go into the places, Gemini key, and you put your Gemini API key in here. Then you hit save. I've already added these, so I don't want to add any more. Now let me show you how my file structure looks like. These are the files I'm using currently. These two files I'm not using anymore. I'm not going to use these files, so I'll remove it. But actually this file, and this file and this file are being used to run the AI. So basically that is it. This app file is only basically this one that we just created in the previous video. When you upload this, you have to upload this requirements.txt, and I'll show you what have the requirements. Basically it is all the libraries that we are using in the Python code, right? And what else can I show you? These are the vector datas. So that is how we have implemented it. Now if you want to know how I built those vectors, I'll tell you it in another video, but that is everything that I did to implement the AI. So let me show you what I did in Framer if you're using Framer. After opening Framer, you would be seeing this is my page. Let it load. Since I'm using OBS, so it will take a long time to load. It has loaded. What I've done here is I've created just a component named ask something, and here I have made chat bar. Wait, which was it? Yeah, this is only the chat bar function, and in this what I've done is I've pasted the URL to use this /ask function, and this URL is the actual Hugging Face URL that I am using. Right? This. How do you get the URL? Basically what you need to do is just click on this and embed this space, and you need to click on this direct URL, then copy it, and then you need to just paste it in this. If you are using direct CSS code and HTML code, you would be knowing how to implement it. And while you have added the API URL, but do not forget to add the ask function, right? Because that's very important. That is what it is. That is actually very important. I've explained it in the previous video why it is important. So that is how I implemented it in this one. So it works perfectly in my website. As you can see, something like how safe is Singapore? Which I just put I was using, so it's not any content. So yeah, this is what it is. It's working pretty fine. And if I show you the Explore Singapore page I created, this right element here is feeding the AI the prompt, and we are getting the response from the AI. As you can see, there are a lot of things in here. Let's try this one. It will take some time to load the AI response, and there you go. Now if you want to ask something else, you can also ask it from here. Let's just ask, how good is the transport system of Singapore? see it has given us the response, and that is it. That is how you implement it, right? You can use any server website or platform that you like. I'm using Backend because it's free, first of all. So that is it. That is actually it. What we have to do to implement the chat box in our website, right? Now, if you want to build vectors, what's the way of to build vectors? Everything is smoothly done. You just download and copy and paste everything, and it will be ready. Just follow my instructions and it will